Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my last college room tour. So I live in a new place this year and I live with 4 other girls, and I'm actually living with the OG Ashley, my freshman year roommate. So yeah, it's our senior year, which is very, very sad. I have 66 days till I graduate. Anyways, moving on. I'm going to be showing you what my room looks like and where some of the things are from. So if you want to see that, then just keep watching. So as you walk in, right here I keep my makeup cart, so when I do makeup I bring it over to my desk, but this is just a nice space to keep it. I have a video talking all about my makeup cart, so if you want to see that I will link that. And then here I just have like these hooks on the back of my door. It's kind of messy, but just my robes, my towels, some of my purses, and my hats. And then over here I have a little shoe rack where I keep all my shoes, and then a bin of more shoes because I have a problem and I buy a lot of shoes. And then up here I put this little cork board, and it ended up being pictures all from Italy because I'm obsessed and I miss Italy. So that's my little Italy wall. Over here I just have my dresser where I keep most of my t-shirts, my sweatshirts, and my pants, so my leggings and my jeans. And then up here I just have my TV. I always have a candle burning. Right now we have Vanilla Pumpkin Marshmallow from Bath & Body Works, which is almost out, but it's really good, so I have to get another one. And then I just have a little plant because I like greenery, but some of the plants are turning brown, so I don't think I'm doing a good job. Okay, so here's my bed. I have had the same blanket and comforter on it the past 2 years, but they're both from Home Goods. And then the pillowcases are from Target, and then the little pillow on top is a mushy pillow, and I literally cannot sleep without one of those pillows, and they're so hard to find, but I've been sleeping with them since I was like 5, so I always need a mushy pillow. My bed is super comfy. My roommates always end up hanging out and laying in my bed with me because it is so comfy. And then I just added some twinkle lights up above to make the room look cute and cozy. So here is my desk. This is where I do all of my makeup and not so much of my homework, but it's fine. And so I have all my makeup brushes, some products over here. Keep a little calendar just when I do my planner and stuff, I can just see what I have going on. My laptop, my makeup mirror, my markers, pens, all that stuff. I also have a nice little salt lamp which changes colors because salt lamps are just supposed to give you all these great health benefits. So I keep that there. And my Yeti, of course, because I'm obsessed with my Yeti. And then down below I just keep more makeup and some more office stuff like for school supplies, and yeah, that's my desk. So here's my closet. I just have these curtains up, which are from Marshall's since I don't have a closet door. And then when you open this, here are all my clothes. I have all my tops on this side, which are kind of color coordinated. I have a lot of blush because just loving the blush. Then I have some skirts, some dresses, jackets, and all that down here. The worst thing in my closet, ugliest thing, is this. This is really sad. Yeah, every day I talk about how sad I am about graduating, but it's fine. So we stick that to the side so we don't look at that. And then down below I just have, this one holds like some more beauty stuff, backup products, hair straightener, things like that, socks, sweatshirts, underwear, bras, more t-shirts, and then I just keep my towels, sweatshirts, all that stuff up there. We just have a lot of clothes, so I keep this closed a lot so you don't see that. And then over here I have my little jewelry section with my perfume, sunglasses, and all my jewelry. And a cute little picture of the Duomo in the back from Italy, because like I said, I miss Italy. Alright guys, that is it for my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any video recommendations, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. My 2 other, well, that sounded bad. Okay, redo. Cut. And yeah, my bed is super comfy. Oh, so comfy. Here is my closet, which is stuffed full of, does that make sense? Yeah, I would. I swear something. Cut. So here's my closet. A little wobbly, sorry. I was like this. Whoa. Okay, cutting again. Skirt. Rolling. So that is my room tour. I hope you guys enjoy. If you have, I never know. Cut. Yeah. Just be like, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this room tour. Stay tuned. I've got some new videos coming. Okay. Alright. Yeet. Should I do a little hello?